Hi, this is Aftab and you're watching Universal Video. Today's topic is how to make the live streaming map on the website for the YouTube channel or whatever you can use it for. So there's a website, we need to work on the website, and we're going to make the map today, and I will show you how to make it online. So let's start, and we have to open here the website, that is ArcGIS. I have already saved here. Okay, arcgis.com, and we will make the map on the website here for our online sources. So local connection doesn't matter. Yeah, now you can see that there's the website is already opened, and you need to sign in here. And if you don't have the user ID and password, you can create one. So I will put my own user ID password, Universal VDF password, and sign in. That's it. And now you can see that this is the front page of the website here, arcgis.com. You need to go to the map. You need to click on the map here. On the map here. Now you can see an attractive map on the website here. So it is open now. You can see that there's a lot of options to new maps, add base map details, etc. Now you have to click on new map, and you can see here the new map is opening, and click on add, search for layers, my content, and ArcGIS online. Today I'm going to give the topic wildfires risk. Here you can see that there's a lot of data is being shown here, and I'm going to choose this USA wildfire, this. So there's a lot of options here, you can find it. So I'm going to choose it, USA wildfire activity, and here you can find all the details about that. A map here is a living atlas, and updated on 1819. This description is about, and the map, and all the details you can find related to the data over here. So what we need to do is to add this add this data to map, add to map, right? Now moving next to some other information that we can use from here is like I'm going to search for this will be wildfire hazard potential. Now it is, you can see here's the information, and the content here is a wildland fire potential. You can find all the details about the data that is being shown here, and all the information about it. So add to map, these two. Now click on browse button and get back about and my content. Now you can see that content that you have selected here, what kind of data that you have selected here. So in the legend you can see here there's a key, colors key, that indicates the very low, moderate, high, and very high. So if you will click on the map here, you can see the details about the fires and the data source is GeoMag, starting date. Now moving next, even you can make the zoom in and zoom out. You can make the zoom in and zoom out from here. Now save the map, save as, title, give the title in the wildfire in the news, tags JCT, save map. So now the map is saved. Now share it to everyone, share and create web map. Now you have to select here, you can select here as you wish, like story maps, cascade, and there's a lot of options here. So story map, cascade, create web app, done. Just give the name here is like wildfires in the news workshop, done. Now finally your map is here that you have created.